Are you ready to embark on your coffee journey but feeling overwhelmed by the dizzying array of espresso machines available? You're not alone. Whether you're a novice looking to brew your first perfect shot or a casual coffee drinker eager to elevate your home cafe experience, choosing the right espresso machine can be daunting. With an extensive range of options catering to various budgets and skill levels, it's crucial to find a machine that aligns with your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best espresso machines for beginners, breaking down their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. If you're on a quest for the perfect home espresso machine, the Breville Bambino Plus might just be what you're looking for. This mid-range semi-automatic machine combines essential features with impressive performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners and coffee enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 54mm portafilter and a decent tamper, the Bambino Plus ensures you have the tools you need to create quality espresso effortlessly. The user-friendly interface makes brewing a delightful experience. Identifiable brewing buttons and a straightforward steam wand engagement mean you can focus on perfecting your coffee skills, rather than wrestling with complex settings. The Bambino Plus is also designed with automatic functionality in mind. Its double-walled filter basket guarantees a rich crema, while volumetric controls allow for precise single or double shots. One of the standout features is the auto-brewing function, complemented by excellent proportional integral derivative temperature control. Plus, the steam wand frothed milk for you, so you can impress your friends with cafe-style lattes. In terms of convenience, the machine's thermojet heating system ensures it warms up in under 5 minutes, allowing you to enjoy your espresso without prolonged wait times. If you're learning to craft the perfect shot, the Bambino Plus is worth considering for your coffee journey. It's time to elevate your home brewing experience. Number 4. Calphalon TempIQ Espresso Machine. If you're seeking an affordable espresso machine that doesn't skimp on quality, the Calphalon TempIQ might be just what you need. With its sleek, stainless steel design, it not only looks great on your countertop but also features a generous water reservoir, making it an excellent choice for beginners or small households. Equipped with a cafe-size 58mm portafilter and a double-walled filter basket, this machine ensures even extraction for that perfect shot of espresso. The standout features, such as the thermoblock heater, proportional integral derivative temperature controls, and pre-infusion settings, work together to deliver a smooth, crema-rich espresso that you'll savor. You'll appreciate the ease of use, thanks to the 4 intuitive knob settings for single shots, double shots, hot water, and steam. Cleaning is also a breeze, making it a user-friendly option for those new to espresso making. Plus, the included small milk pitcher means you won't have to purchase additional accessories. The Calphalon TempIQ is available in 2 versions, with or without a built-in grinder. If space is at a premium, or you prefer to grind your coffee beans yourself for maximum freshness, the model without the grinder might be your best bet. This machine is designed to enhance your coffee experience, helping you craft cafe-quality beverages right at home. Number 3. Gaggia Classic Pro Espresso Machine. If you're seeking an authentic Italian espresso experience at home, the Gaggia Classic Pro is your gateway to coffee perfection. This machine beautifully blends tradition and modernity, making it an excellent choice for both novices and seasoned baristas. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the Classic Pro comes in various elegant finishes, allowing you to choose one that complements your kitchen. The user-friendly interface, complete with easily identifiable switches, a steam wand knob, and an indicator light, makes brewing a breeze. However, to achieve that ideal brewing temperature, you might need to engage in some temperature surfing, a skill that, once mastered, will reward you with richly nuanced espresso shots. While it might not feature a double boiler system, the 58mm portafilter with a single wall basket empowers you to brew like a professional. Cleanup is simple, thanks to its removable drip tray, and the sizable water reservoir means you won't often have to interrupt your brewing sessions to refill. In summary, the Gaggia Classic Pro stands out as a home espresso machine with professional-grade capabilities. It's designed for those who appreciate the art of Italian espresso. If you're ready to take your coffee journey to the next level, investing in the Gaggia Classic Pro will surely enhance your daily rituals and elevate your brewing skills. Number 2. CASABREWS Espresso Machine. If you're seeking to elevate your home coffee experience, the CASABREWS Espresso Machine is a fantastic choice. This stylish and compact model stands out with its professional 20-bar pressure system, ensuring your espresso tastes just like the high-quality brews from your favorite cafe. With an Italian pump, it expertly extracts rich flavors, filling your kitchen with delightful aromas that awaken your senses. Imagine crafting creamy lattes and frothy cappuccinos with ease, thanks to its exceptional milk frothing system. The powerful steam wand allows you to create perfect microfoam, enabling you to unleash your inner barista and transform everyday coffee into something truly special. Plus, the 34-ounce removable water tank makes refilling a breeze, allowing you to brew multiple cups without hassle. This machine's attractive design complements kitchens of all sizes, seamlessly fitting into your home aesthetic. Whether you prefer single or double espresso shots, you're equipped to enjoy your favorite coffee styles right from your kitchen. While navigating the machine's settings may require a bit of patience initially, think of it as an exciting journey toward mastering your coffee-making skills. The CASABREWS not only combines quality and convenience, but also enhances your coffee rituals, turning your kitchen into a personal coffee haven. Embrace the art of espresso and discover the joy of crafting exceptional coffee at home. Number 1. Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine. If you're looking to elevate your at-home espresso experience, the Breville Barista Touch Impress may be just what you need. This upgraded version of the popular Barista Express Impress includes an integrated burr grinder and an ultraviolet-proof bean hopper, allowing you to enjoy fresher beans and maintain the quality of your coffee for longer periods. One of the standout features of this semi-automatic espresso machine is its patented Puck Impress system. This system ensures that you receive the perfect dose of coffee every time, utilizing an impressive 22-pound tamping pressure to aid in achieving a consistent brew. Combined with pre-infusion settings and a 54mm portafilter, you can trust that each shot will be perfectly extracted. You'll also appreciate the energy-efficient thermojet heating system, which delivers hot water quickly and maintains an optimal brewing temperature consistently. If you enjoy crafting a variety of espresso beverages, the Barista Touch Impress won't disappoint either. Its automatic milk frothing feature and dedicated hot water dispenser open up a world of possibilities. Whether you're in the mood for lattes, cappuccinos, americanos, or long blacks, with a comprehensive selection of high-quality accessories included, this machine truly offers excellent value for your investment. Discover the joys of barista-quality coffee in the comfort of your home with Breville. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which espresso machine for beginners you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.